Starting an LLC in Michigan is a smart move if you're ready to turn your idea into a real business. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you know exactly what to do. First, you'll need to pick a name for your LLC. The name has to be unique and can't already be in use by another business in Michigan. You can check availability through the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, also known as LARA. Make sure to include LLC, or Limited Liability Company, at the end of your name. Once you've got your name, the next step is filing the Articles of Organization. In Michigan, that's Form 700. You can file it online or by mail, and the fee is usually around $50, which is more affordable compared to many other states. After filing, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement. Michigan doesn't require one by law, but it's really useful. This document lays out how your business will be managed and helps prevent conflicts down the road. Next, apply for an EIN with the IRS. It's free and only takes a few minutes online. You'll need it for taxes, banking, and hiring employees. Finally, don't forget Michigan requires you to file an annual report to keep your LLC active. The report fee is about $25, and it's due by February 15th each year. And that's it! If this step-by-step guide helped you understand how to start an LLC in Michigan, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more simple business tips.